we humans are social beings, and as such, very often we take decisions together, we encourage each other, we guide each other, we help each other. So it is very important to know exactly how to ask for this guidance or help or encouragement using exact phrases, how to give and how to react to advice. And this will be our topic today. Let's start with the question, what is advice? The word advice is defined as a guidance or recommendation offered with regard to prudent future action. There are many synonyms of this word, such as guidance, counseling, help, direction, instruction, suggestions, hints, tips, ideas, opinions, views, enlightenment, recommendations. Very often, the words advice and advise are confused, but there is distinction between them. The word advice is a noun. On the other hand, the word advise is a verb. The letter C sounds like S, advice. Letter S sounds like Z, advise. Oftentimes, we find ourselves in situations asking, giving, or reacting to advice. There are many verbs and phrases used to do so. So how do we ask for advice? We will emphasize 4 phrases used to ask for advice. What do you do? What do you do when you have back pain? What's the best way? What's the best way to learn a foreign language? Or we can ask a question, what do you think I should do? Or what advice would you give? Giving advice, we use if I were you. And this expresses a recommendation. Example, if I were you, I would try to get enough sleep. Another way to give advice is, have you considered going to an osteopath? Or have you thought about? And in this case, you are sharing your opinion, but you are making it sound like it was a listener's idea. It is a soft way to give advice. Example, have you thought about trying some alternative therapies? Maybe you could, or maybe you should. This is a soft advice encouraging someone to attempt something. Maybe you should try swimming to relieve your spine pain. When we react to advice, we use very simple phrases. That's not a bad idea. I'm not sure. Good advice. Yes, maybe you're right. Yes, all right. Or if you want to sound more polite or formal, you could say, I appreciate the advice. We will conclude this presentation with a quote from Harper Lee. Many receive advice, only the wise profit from it.